Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to cut objects with another object in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. I will use the default cube. Now close up to build the cube. And we can see that we have one object. I want to use another object to cut the cube. So we can add another object. I go to Add and Merge. I choose a cylinder. Now I go to Add Cylinder panel. And then I want to rotate it in X to 90 degrees. And I want to make it thinner and make it longer. And I also want to make the vertices to 8. So we got the cylinder and the cube. If you want to cut the cube with the cylinder, we can select the cube first and then go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Boolean. Click it, and then we can see the Boolean modifier is add, and go to Objects, we can pick the cylinder, or we can use the dropper to pick the cylinder. After adding the cylinder to the object, we can make the cylinder invisible, so we can see that this is a cut by using the cylinder. Furthermore, I want to show the material. If we change the material preview, and we can select the cube and go to Material Properties, and we can set the material to blue for the cube. If we make the cylinder visible again and set the material and add the material, we can click New to add and change it to red. And we can make the cylinder invisible again and go back to the cube and go to Modifier Properties and go to Soften option. We can change material to transfer. So we got the cylinder material inside the cube. So if we happy with this, we can apply the modifier. So this is how we can cut an object with another object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.